National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Newcastle County in northern Delaware, northwestern Salem County in southern New Jersey, northwestern Camden County in southern New Jersey, northwestern Gloucester County in southern New Jersey, northwestern Burlington County in southern New Jersey, southeastern Montgomery County in southeastern Pennsylvania, southeastern Bucks County in southeastern Pennsylvania, southeastern Chester County in southeastern Pennsylvania, Philadelphia County in southeastern Pennsylvania, Delaware County in southeastern Pennsylvania, until 11:15 p.m. At 10:31 p.m., a cluster of severe thunderstorms were located from northern Newcastle County, Delaware northeastward into Philadelphia, moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Wind damage has occurred in northern Newcastle County, Delaware. Impact, damage to roofs, siding, trees, and power lines is possible. Locations impacted include Philadelphia, Camden, Wilmington, Gloucester City, Cherry Hill, Bensalem, Mount Laurel, Chester, Willingboro, Deptford, West Deptford, Lindenwold, Pennsville, Lumberton, Florence, Belmore, Evan, Woodbury, Burlington, and Bristol. This includes the following highways: New Jersey Turnpike between exits 1 and 6A. Pennsylvania Turnpike between mile markers 332 and 359. Northeast extension near mile marker 21. Interstate 95 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 0 and 40. Interstate 95 in Delaware between mile markers 10 and 23. Interstate 76 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 330 and 351. Interstate 76 in New Jersey between mile markers 0 and 3. Interstate 295 in New Jersey between mile markers 0 and 55. Interstate 676 in Pennsylvania